But this time around, the 8K Ultra HDR text is very clear and coherent, which I didn't expect on its YouTube channel. So as you know, Stable AI has launched Stable Diffusion 3, its most advanced image model. Exactly. They announced Stable Diffusion long back, but they didn't release its weights. But now they have launched the Stable Diffusion 3 medium model. It is the 2 billion parameter model compared to the 8 billion parameter model of the Ultra series. It is a 2 billion parameter model. And if you head over to Hugging Face, you can see that it is available to download. So today we'll be using this, testing this out, and how to get best results from it. We'll be looking that as well. So let's get started, guys. So let's get this installed. I'll be telling you how to install this in very few steps. You have to head over to this links, GitHub and Comfy UI. So we will be using Comfy UI to run this model. What you have to do is just copy this repo URL and head over to the directory where you want to install this model. Then you have to just type git clone and paste the URL. Now if you enter, the whole repo will be copied, and once you run that, then if you go on the directory where you have run this code, you can see comfy UI folder over here. Now head over to the IDE that you are using. Now just look for the folders that are present. Now click, just copy this and paste. Okay, when you are in comfy UI, you have to just type python main.py. Now this is the local URL. If you click on this, see comfy UI will be available. Now by default you will not be having any models. What you have to do is head over to the Hugging Face page that I told you. I will be giving the link in the description. And so what you have to do is you will have to log in with your Hugging Face account. So once you have logged in, you will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Once you have done that, go into files and versions and download the model that is able to run on your device. So this is the FP16 version, this is the largest version. This is the FP8 version. Try to use only the included clips versions. So today we'll be using the FP16 version. Just you have to click on download and the file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded it, so I will not be downloading it now. Once you have done that, you have to go into Comfy UI. Here, head on to models. Then in checkpoints, you have to paste the model over here. As you can see, I have pasted the model that I downloaded here. So just you have to paste it here. Once you have done that, if you head over to Comfy UI, you will be able to see the model. This is the default workflow which will be available for you. So here is the default prompt, default positive and negative prompts and everything. So let's just run this and see what is the image that is created. Okay guys, this is the image that we have generated, but from next generations I'll be skipping the the generation procedure because it is very GPU intensive, and screen recording at the time is gonna be difficult. Okay guys, so we'll be using some custom prompts. To get the custom prompts, we'll be using the custom GPT that I created. It is SD prompter. What you have to do is just head over to SD prompter. I'll be giving the link of this custom GPT in the descriptions as well. So what you have to do is just you have to type what you want. So let's type a beautiful mountain. So just you have to type your prompt and click enter. It will automatically create the positive and the negative prompts. First it will think out what is the best procedure and it will automatically create the positive and negative prompt. Just you have to copy the positive prompt and you know paste it on the first box. As you can see, this node is connected to the positive one, so here you have to paste the positive prompt. Let's paste the positive prompt. Now let's copy the negative prompt and paste it over here. As you can see, this is connected to the negative one. Let's run the model. So I'll be skipping the generation. I'll be showing you direct the generated photo. Okay guys, so this is the image that we got generated. So now let's move on to another prompt. Now we'll be asking a Porsche sprinting on a highway. What a realistic 880. Now it will think step by step and give us the positive and the negative prompts. So let's wait for it. We have got the positive prompt. We'll be pasting it, and by that time negative prompt will be ready. So let's paste this and get the negative prompt as well. Okay, this is the negative prompt. So we'll copy this. We'll use this over here. Okay. So the settings that I have kept is I have used the DPM ++2 M sampler. CFG I have kept at 6 and we'll be using 50 steps. And also scheduler I have kept at normal. So let's try this out. Now I'll be skipping the sampler part since it is very GPU intensive, and screen recording at the same time will be difficult. Okay guys, the generation is complete, so let's have a look. So this is the image that has been generated. I'll be showing you. So when it comes to the uh, number plate of the car, it's not very clear, but the overall image is, I think, pretty impressive given it's a medium model, not the flagship model from the Stable Diffusion. So let's try another prompt. Okay, we'll be using the SD prompt temp. Let's try something related to anime. So we'll be prompting a female anime. We've got the positive prompt. Let's copy this, paste it over here. The positive prompt. Okay, this is the negative prompt. So let's copy it and paste it over here, and let's run the prompt. Okay guys, though, so the image has been generated. So this is the image, as you can see, but this time around the 8K Ultra HDR text is very clear and coherent, which I didn't expect honestly. The image is pretty good if you ignore the hands, I think, which are a bit distorted. Other than that, and also the legs are a bit distorted, but other than that, most of the things are pretty good. I think with even better prompting techniques, or other modules, we can achieve better results from this model, or else we can go for the better models as well. So this was the Stable Diffusion media model. In future, I guess they will release the Stable Diffusion ultra models, and also the large models. They will open source it, then we'll be able to use that, and we'll test that or that as well. So make sure you subscribe this channel and stay updated with the latest advancements in AI.
The stories bold, latest trends and tips, all fresh and new. AI magic just for you. Step by step, we dive in deep. Algorithms and data heaps. All right way, remember the name. In AI's game, we stake a claim. So hit subscribe, join the crew. Right Way is here for you. With AI knowledge, we'll reach high. Together, we'll touch the sky.